Yo guys, I'm going to be biking and it's really windy. My hair is messed up. Let me switch the camera real quick. As you can see, there's my bike. And biking fast. I gotta really be careful because I'm filming. I'm biking. One hand recording the other one. Alright, I'm in my friend's house, so yeah, this is fun. It's broad daylight and I'm out here and I'm sweating. What? Where are you at? Where are you? I can't see you. Are you gonna go outside? So I'm waiting for my friend. And we're gonna go biking. So yeah, this is fun. And it's a Sunday. So yeah, I'm taking most of it out of it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow. And we're gonna do some crap. So yeah. So my friend is here. I'm vlogging this, man. Why? You just walk. Why not? Oh come on, man. We haven't been like for like 2 years now. What are we gonna do then? What's vlogging it, man? I was hoping you could, you know, Barack Obama.
Maybe next week. Or can you?
What?
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay. So he's not gonna be biking. So yeah.
Sorry.
Alright. Tomorrow? Alright. Right, so there's that crap in my eye. So I'm just gonna be biking by myself. This is gonna be fun, I guess. Okay, here you go. So I'm just here in my park. It's really windy, really windy. It's I don't know how to explain it now. Oh, yo, what up? Ooh, this is a full experience. Dog. Should I just run it? There's a fucking dog. There's a freaking dog, bro. I'll just run it. Yeah, they thought they were gonna chase me. Damn. I almost. I don't know. A little bit speed right now. I just stopped over for a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Huh? Okay. Sige. Stray dog? Ah, dang. Hope I don't get bit by those stray dogs and turn into zombie. I was hoping for zombie or something. Wait! There's some car in the freaking park.
Mga model house lang, hindi try ka makita. Ang dudugo kamay ko, oh.
Is here and yeah. So this is the old swing that I used to play in like 2018. The old thingy playground set. So yeah. This is really sad. What?
Pwede magpahinga dito.
Baka siguro may kalawang na eh. Some fat turkey. Okay then, so this is a playground that we used to play like 2018 and some 2018. since the pandemic came in, it just got wrecked. Got wrecked real good. Rusted. The swings are really ruined. The slides dangerous now. Tetanus. So yeah, it's just really sad to see, you know, just the ladder is ruined. So yeah. The bitches is average. Hey, nothing you like. Nice. The bitches is average. Ha?
Yung stock room nyo,
Wala.
wala siya.
Wala.
Yung mga singit-singit,
Di naman siya magkakasya dun eh.
bakit?
Alam, masyado siyang malaki. Okay. Pero wala kami singit eh. Mga singit-singit sa bahay. I am by no, so many things. And some laps. Yeah, guys, I heard some people screaming. Like I said, if you didn't hear me, there's some people screaming. So yeah, that just really creeps me out. And by the way, here's the park. Here's the park. Really good, isn't it? It is a little bit windy, but this place gets weirder every time I stay in it. Yeah, some weird sounds, some weird crap, some weird people talking, and yeah, it's really kind of creeping me out. I'd rather stay here. Okay, I just strolled for a little bit. So yeah, I didn't film any of it because it was on the road, where all the cars come in unexpectedly. I didn't record that, but yeah, I just took a little bit a spin. I just came back to the park. So yeah, this place gets weirder and weirder every single time. Yeah, it's really windy here, and yeah. Alright guys, it's a little bit dark now. Hello. Wow guys, this is a really beautiful sky, even if... Oh yeah! Guys, I think it's a little bit dark. I don't know, I'm staying... So my face is like shining because of my screen. But it's dark now, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, see, it's just kind of dark right now. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna go home. I don't mean like I'm not gonna go home, like, you know, it's still not gonna go, you know what I mean. Guys, it's dark right now and there's no more people left. I think I'm gonna do one more lap, bro. So yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, front cam. Okay, so now, yeah, I think one more spin. We're gonna go home. Dark. So yeah.
Alright, it's really dark. Like there's zero light here, except for that light. There's zero lights up in this. So my camera makes it more like brighter. But I'm gonna do one more spin. Alright guys, it's freaking dark and I'm alone here. I'm only with you guys. Freaking scared. Bro, I can't decide when I'm gonna go home now. Alright, it's freaking dark. I'm gonna go home. So one more round? Nah, I'm too scared. Alright. Oh, one more round. Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm just gonna go home. As fast as I could. Being careful with one hand. It doesn't make any difference. Alright, this is our way home. We got some kitty kits. Gonna head this way. This is my way home. Alright. Just a second. My legs freaking hurt. Okay. Bye guys.